Alright, I got the Badger M22 on a Marlin 60. This is the Bullpup stock. I'm just going to load it up, fire off one tube to do a little bit of a function test. I have not really zeroed in the scope, so aim does not count on this one. Speedy loader. This is for those people who say that loading a Ruger 22 magazine is faster. No, it's not. Oops. Light on. Good group. About 3 inches low because I haven't adjusted the scope yet. But that's what a Badger M22 on Marlin 60 looks like and how it works. Get these online at the dude's website. I think he sells them on eBay as well. And they're probably worth the money.
Up here?
There you go. Yeah, so you get a sight picture without having to bend your head. You don't need to lean your shoulder as far back as you're leaning it. There you go.
I'm wearing a slippery shirt.
Yeah, it keeps sliding.
It's better to hold it down here than it is. I was holding it right here.
Yeah, you'd want to be more like right where that
Yeah.
thing is there.
And then when I started moving it this way, I was doing it a less.
Yeah.
But I was holding it almost right on the.
Yeah, it's a lot different than your rifle because your trigger's way back here.
Yeah.
And that trigger's way forward. What you think, though?
That's pretty nice. The first shot was like I was waiting for a kick, and it weren't. It was 22.
Alright, so after playing around with this, one thing we have decided that it definitely needs is some type of a skid pad on the back of here because it slides rather easily with that smooth plastic. Kind of hard to keep a solid grip on it. But other than that, both me and the wife seem to like it, and I'll get a little bit of skateboard tape, throw it on the back of there, it should be just fine. Is that freaking recording or not?